Yeah, hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Salesforce real-time scenarios. We are discussing to the OTT subscription mini project. In the previous video, we discussed about to the um, how to create the app manager and how we are created the objects, fields, and we build the relationship between those fields. So we discussed in the previous video overall of the schema builder, and we created the objects, fields, tab, and these we discussed in the previous video. Now in this video, we can start to the development. So our main motto is the without to writing the single line of the code, we have to develop to the our requirement. So how we are going to develop the requirement, we can check it out the step by step. So here we are using the screen flows. In screen flows, we have to develop by the our requirement. So already we know, right? So here we have to start with our screen, this one. So phone number. So how to display by the phone number? Let's see the here in the first scenario, we have to check it by the this one phone number. Okay, how to develop by this? Let's come to the here, click on to the setup, click on to the flow, sorry, setup. So here we have to the flow. So go to the flows. So click on new flow. So choose the screen flow. So click on to this first screen flow. So here we have to display by the phone number. Okay, in the first screen flow. So here we have to create by the fields, that is the object fields directly we can access in the OTT customer object. Already we have the phone number now. So that is we can able to access that purpose. I am creating one new resource. So resource, here we have to the customer details. Okay, so here we have to the object is the OTT customer details. Okay, this is the our object name. So click on this, we can able for the input, and we can ticket this, click on to the done. So now in this we have to display by the phone number. So this is the phone number they can able to enter. So click on done. Okay, we have to give it by this screen name. So OTT subscription. So click on done. Click on save. So this is the OTT subscription flow. Let's debug up to here what we have developed. So first screen will be appear by the phone number. So click on run. See here phone number will be appear if you enter by the phone number. So based on that, we can identify the he is the existing customer or not. So once we are entered by the phone number, we can verify the he is the new or existing customer. If it is new customer, we have to navigate by the this screen. If he is the existing customer, we have to navigate to the this screen. Okay, so how we are going to develop this one? So before we are going to identify the he is a new or existing customer, right? Verify the, so that purpose, first we have to get the record from the database, means fetch it the record from the database. So that's why here get record, get existing customer details. So here we have the OTT customer. So which record we are able to get it based on the phone number, right? So here based on the phone number, we can identify the he is the new or existing customer. So here we have the resource we are using na under resource phone number. Under the resource phone value, this is the phone. We have to identify the based on this. Okay. So if it is get the record means he is the treat as the existing customer. If it is not written the any record, we can treat as the new customer. So here we can take by the one decision. So verify the customer. So first is the we have to identify the is new customer. How to identify the is new customer? If it is written the record value is the null. If it is written to the record value is the null, record ID is null, we can treat as a new customer. It is the true, right? If it is null, nothing but it is not written the any record with that phone number, we can treat as the new customer. If it is written the any record means it is the record ID will be available, right? So we can treat as the existing customer. Is existing customer. So here we have to the verify to the OTT get record ID is null false. Is null false nothing but it is written to the record ID means that is the existing customer. That is the existing customer. If it is the use news nothing but it is null means it is not written any record, then record ID is the null now. That's why we can identify the he is the new customer. So let's save this. Once come to the new customer, we have to develop by the screen of first name, last name, email, and phone. So that's why here we have to take it to the here screen flow. So in the screen flow, we have to add it by the customer details. Already we created the one resource, right? A resource. So in this resource too, we have to fetch the details. So means we have to add it by the customer first name, last name, and first name, email, and phone number. So these are all the fields. We can align to the columns wise and means section. We can add it by this section. So each this section we can add it by the two values, two columns. So last name, first name, email, and phone number. These are all the details we have to add it by the two columns wise. Two columns wise we created the one section. Okay. So this is so yeah sorry. So here we can give it by the any header value. If you want to require, we can give it by the header value. Okay. So we can give it by the customer details. Okay. So let's done this. So I think screen name we are not given. So here new customer detail. This is the our screen. Let's done. Let's save this. Debug. Up to what we have developed, we can debug. So run. So I'm giving to the phone number 888-604-7776. Click on next. See here phone number is the auto populated. This is also one of the requirement. So based on that in the previous screen automatically populated by the phone number. And the rest of the fields we can able to last name, first name and email they can able to add it by the here. And the section header also we are giving if you want to hide it and like this we can display by the section header as well. Okay, so this is we have developed for the up to this screen. So first phone number, verify the existing customer or not. If it is the new customer, navigate it to this page. Okay, so now here in the next screen, what we have to display, we have to display by the plan details. We have to display by the plan details. And before that, we can discuss to the he is the existing customer. We have to display by the this screen. So how to develop that is existing customer screen, we can discuss into the next video. Stay tuned. Thank you.